Let me tell you a story that starts in the ancient city of Caesarea with a man named Cornelius. He wasn't a Jew, and he definitely wasn't a Christian. He was a Roman centurion, part of the Italian regiment. But what set Cornelius apart was his heart. He was devout. He respected God. He was generous. He took care of the people around him, always giving, always praying, even though he didn't have all the answers. One afternoon, something incredible happened. Cornelius saw a vision, an angel calling his name. Imagine that for a second. You in your living room, and suddenly an angel appears. Cornelius was terrified, but he listened. The angel told him, "Your prayers and your generosity have come up as a memorial before God." Think about that. Cornelius wasn't part of the in crowd, not a member of the right faith, not in the right group, but God heard him. So, what does this mean for you and me? Especially if you don't call yourself a Christian, or maybe you're not sure what you believe. Is God listening to you? The story of Cornelius says, absolutely. God isn't limited by labels or boxes. He sees the heart. He hears the prayers of anyone who reaches out with sincerity and humility. Now, Cornelius didn't stop with that vision. He took action. He sent for Peter, like the angel said. He was open to learn more, to step forward, to grow. And that's the real lesson here. Wherever you're coming from, whatever your background, God can hear you. You don't have to be perfect, just be real. Reach out. Ask. You might be surprised who's listening.